Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by measuring the ring on a mandrel, and with sizers so you know the exact size change you need, you must act precisely. Once you have measurements, inspect the band for weak spots, plating, or stones that could be damaged. This determines technique. Prepare tools. Clean workspace, flux, solder, jeweler's saw, torch, pickling solution, files, and polishing wheel. Make sure to remove any inserts or stones and immobilize the ring on the mandrel. Then mark the cut line or seam where you will work. You now perform the core alteration. For sizing up, cut the band cleanly and fit a measured silver insert that matches thickness and profile. For sizing down, remove a precise wedge, keeping symmetry. Once the pieces fit flush, apply flux and use small, controlled torch flames to solder. Heat evenly to avoid warping. After solder flows, quench and pickle to remove oxidation, then rinse and dry. Make sure to check roundness on the mandrel frequently, and correct any distortion. Finish by filing joints smooth with progressive grits, then sand and polish to match the original finish. Check size and roundness on the mandrel as you go. Once polished, inspect interior comfort, prongs, and any hallmarks. Reinstall stones if removed. If something goes wrong, if the joint shows cracks, reapply flux and carefully reflow solder. If the ring warped, anneal and re-round on the mandrel using a rawhide mallet. Finally, clean ultrasonically or with degreaser, and verify final fit before returning to the client.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.